Hello there, Professor. This is my semester summary for ECE 103. So, to start with that, I want to receive an A in your class. And I will prove to you why I deserve it. Alright, so since 103 is, there isn't a lot of content in 103, so I will be discussing why I deserve an A through the grade requirement. So, looking at the syllabus, for the must-do assignment, we have to do a weekly summary using the required platform, and a competency portfolio, and an interview. So we don't have any interviews for this ECE 103 for some reason, and we don't do a lot of competency portfolio entry. So talking about weekly summary, I think we don't have like 2 summary in this class weekly in total. So for the first week 1 summary is it's just text assignment, so we just type in what we did and what we learned. So I definitely did that. I talk about what did I learn and how did I apply it to my learning before. And for my model 3 summary, it's basically just week 2 and week 3 summary put together, and I also did that using a YouTube recording, and I also put in the audio component you asked for using a Screen-O-Matic editing music. Yeah, so that's it. And for the competency portfolio, so we only have to turn in 1, I guess. So it's right here. So sorry about the time, I forgot to turn it in on time, just open it and leave it there. So yeah, I definitely turn in my stuff right there too. So for the daily assignment, for an A, we have to complete 95% of the assignment we are assigned. So looking at the assignment, we have a syllabus quiz. I turn it in. Yep, submit it. And the 3D design. We didn't have to turn this in, but you just asked us to get a group partner and just design and practice Logo Pro. So I did some Logo Pro before in the past and present now. So I definitely did your assignment measuring stuff like that. Measuring. And for the Tinkercad, I designed a leaf right there. This took me some time to do, just putting a lot of cylinder shape together and like cutting out part. So this is how it turned out too, which is pretty cool. And that's it for my 3D design. And for the next assignment, it's not a lot of assignment. Yeah, this is not a lot of content in this course, sadly. So yeah, so for the next discussion for an A, we need to post our initial response, 95% of the discussion, and also comment for 4 times under each discussion. So for the first discussion, what's up with the late start, I definitely have my response right here. I mean my initial comment right here. And so for my 4 comment, I did 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's for my comment for the first discussion. And for the second computer model, I have my initial response right. This is my initial response. Where is it? I always respond late, so sorry. So here's my initial response, and here is one of my comment. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those are for my comment for that discussion. So that's 2 out of 2 already. And the next 2 is talking testing. And my initial response is I did have my initial response for sure. So I'm just gonna show you my full comment. So just to make it faster. So one of my comments right here, the older one, my initial, my third response, and my fourth response right here. That is that for that one. So that's 3 out of 3 already. And for the Earth Day, of course, I have my one comment, my other comment, my third comment, and my fourth comment, and that's my initial response. So yeah, and for the last discussion we had for quantum computing, 1, 2, that's my initial, 3 and 4, and that's 4 comment for all of the discussion like you asked. Yep, 100%. And so for the need resources, we have to post at least all of them, and add a 50-word describe of the the link we posted. And here we go. And one for me, and then is that the same one? Oops, that is the same one. Sorry about that. And for these 3, so of course 1, oops, don't scare me. Wait, I definitely helped me. Oh yeah, here's my, scared me a little bit. And for the AI, here's mine. So I always been participating in the class, just doing whatever is need to require to get my desired grade, which is an A. So for continue, here's my older one. And so I don't want to drag this out further. Actually, I might have to show y'all. So here's the bumper music. Yep, 50-word abstract also, and my exotic energy. And here you go. So yep, that's all of the 100% 50-word and highlight from my weekly summary. It's all in there. So that's why I deserve an A for my need resources, discussion, and daily assignment. And for my weekly summary, I do talk about having a connection between what I learn and what I know. So if you look at my prior weekly summary and stuff, you will see that I did mention and talk about that. And yeah, in this class, I learned a lot of stuff actually. Not much stuff. I was just recycling the resource from ECE 102. I hope that like you are planning to have us expand further on like stuff like Tinkercad, Logo Pro, Arduino and stuff. I didn't see Arduino, which is surprising because we did a lot. Arduino was a major component in ECE 102, so I was just surprised. But it's just sad that online stuff and a late start class kind of dwindle down the resources a little bit, so there isn't much for us to do, sadly. But I know because I did have a lot of fun ECE 102, just participating with everybody and meeting new people. And overall the class in ECE 102 was overall just like fun and outgoing. But yeah, ECE 103 is just a little bit disappointing. I just do need resources discussion, a little bit of assignment there and there, but yeah, it isn't much. It's a bummer. This class should be like a in-person class. And yeah, that's why and that will conclude my weekly summary, semester summary. sorry. For ECE 103, I did all that. Daily assignment, discussion. I fulfill all the requirements for an A. So hopefully I will receive an A in this class. Thank you. And have a good summer, Professor.